Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to export your saved passwords from Google Chrome. Whether you're switching devices, creating a backup, or just want to keep a copy of your login details, this updated method will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has your saved passwords. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. This is the main menu where you can access all Chrome settings. From that menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Password Manager. This section is where all your saved logins and passwords are securely stored. You'll see a list of all the websites you've saved credentials for, along with a few additional options. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the Password Manager. You should see a small settings icon or gear. Tap on it to open more options. Among the available options, select Export Passwords. Chrome will ask you to confirm this action for security reasons. This step ensures that only you can access your sensitive information. When prompted, confirm your choice by entering your device password or using your fingerprint if required. After confirming, Chrome will create a .csv file containing all your saved passwords.